Hello, good day once again. This is Maestro Sani para po sa ating next episode ng How a DepEd Teacher Can Be Easily Promoted. So yesterday, nung nakaraan po ay pinag-usapan po natin ang ating first episode which is education po. So na discuss po natin that education is one of the most important factor for your promotion. So sabi nga nila, the highest education you have, this is what my professor said when I was in college, the highest education you will get, the higher pay you will receive. So napaka-importante po talaga na magkaroon po tayo ng mas mataas na level ng education. So next po tayo is the length of service. So sabi po, your next, we must have at least 3 years in the present position uh, para po sa ating promotion. So, kailangan po natin mag-spend ano po, ng ating length of service or length of experience. Kasi from that span of time na may spend po natin sa ating service, magkakaroon po tayo ng maraming uh, designation, designations, training and seminars para po makapag-earn po tayo ng mga MOVs or ng mga certificates which are essential sa ating pagpe-prepare ng ating papers for promotion. Ayan. So, ang sabi ko dito, the longer you are in or the longer you are in the field of teaching, the more chances of getting into a higher position. Seniority and depth still actively practice. Therefore, each teacher should wait at least 3 years in service before applying for a rank. Ayan. So, kailangan po natin ng medyo marami-raming, especially, depende po sa uh, position na gusto po nating makuha ano po or ma-attain. So, siyempre as we are in our uh, as we are in the field, we should make sure that all the years that we do is fruitful. So marami po tayo dapat experiences, uh, seminars, what else? Designations. So we should do, kung may mga designations po tayo, we should always ask for the MOBs or for the papers. Like what? A designation, unang-una. Yun po ating school memorandum that or office memorandum na nag-a-assign po sa atin of what coordinatorship that we will perform. Then next is the designation. Then from that, we should do our action plan. Then after doing the action plan, yung ating pong accomplishment report, kailangan po yan. Narrative and pictorial. Then, isa pa po, papel ay yung ating corroborated, which which is signed by at least 5 teachers that are due in doing or sila yung magpapatunay na ginawa mo po yung lahat ng iyong makakaya to perform the designation in your best capacity sabi nga, with flying colors, di ba po? And syempre, kailangan po natin din ng kung effective yung ating mga ginawa. Kailangan po nating i-benchmark and kung kailangan po natin ng citations, kailangan din po natin ng certificate of recognition for doing your designation in the best capacity of your ability, para mas ma-enjoy po natin siya na gamitin as one of our MOBs, na siya po yung ilalagay po natin sa ating pertinent papers for promotion. So, i-file po natin yon sa susunod pong mga video. Magpapakita po ako ng sample kung paano po ayusin yung ating mga MOBs for promotion. So, hanggang dito na lamang po na tayo sa ngayon. That is the criteria number 2, length of experience or length of service na kailangan po natin para po sa ating next promotion. So for now, maraming salamat po at sana po ay mag-subscribe. Kung mabigat man po ang pag-subscribe, ay pwede na po tayo sa pag-like at pag-share ng ating video. So, from this, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.